来上的现在来了比较容易但他虽然是多呢不老他都要是来比较默默会去这样的没事的我现在的好了咱老人的保了 okay now is the Hmong culture performance to the Hmong day today is very good day it's a cold little day but so fine okay 现在做这个呢是的sai lại kia là gì tao nè okay cô cho nên biết tao con nào nè giờ bên mong nhóm tụ cô cá chị nên bỏ tà lý xuất xôi xiông nè con giờ cái gì Hmong culture every year in the celebration Hmong New Year so we had to perform in Laos Thailand Shorty China too okay ถอยคนด้วยสุดเลยสุดถอนในชุมพรติดใช้เชียร์เลยสุด Thank you very much
ハハハハ